Welcome to Clean and Decorate with me. This is the first Monday of every month, hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and myself. Well, I'm going to be cleaning my bedroom, starting with the bed, and I had gotten a new mattress pad by Bed Sure, ordered from Amazon. And next I'm adding the sheets. I've already got the fitted sheet on, and now I'll be adding the flat. And now I have the comforter and pillows added. And I'm in this one here, which is a Ray Dunn Stay. And what I'm also going to be adding is a quilt that was handmade by my sister-in-law that has beautiful flowers on it. So here it is, all completed. And I think this quilt is just gorgeous. So I do have two blankets on here, the lighter blue and then the quilted one on top, because what we usually do is roll back the quilt. And here's all my pillows. I have a Hello Spring pillow. That was Amazon. And even some pillows with some sunflowers on it. And here's what the top of the bed looks like. It's 3 pieces painted white. So I think this looks very pretty and perfect for springtime. Now I'm going to be cleaning the furniture. I'm going to start with the nightstand here. And I'm using this wood cleaner. I was all out of the orange glow, which I think is a better wood cleaner. This one doesn't really leave a shiny finish, but it'll work for today. So I'm going to place the lamp in the middle and clean both sides. And I even have some beads wrapped around the lamp base. And now I'm going to add a lamb's ear wreath, and I'm going to put some little birds inside it. There's the mama bird. And then on the other side of the lamp, a couple smaller birds. Isn't it cute? And then next I'm going to add this little candle in a little candle vase. Very pretty. Okay, I'm going to use the same cleaner on the piano. So I'm going to wipe it down. This piano actually belongs to my grandson, but he's off to college right now. And there was a plant on top of it, so I'm moving it over so I can give the top of it a really good cleaning. And the plant seems to do really well here because it's near the window. Oh, and you may have noticed a guitar and a little rocking horse. Those are both for my grandchildren when they come to visit. Okay, now I'm going to be decorating the top of the piano with this really awesome bunny picture that my daughter drew and colored in herself, and we framed it. And I have this little brown bunny and the anniversary clock there in the center with the beautiful plant. And then above that, I have the Tree of Life round that I thrifted and then gave a technique myself. Now the remote is for the candles and the sconces here. So it really does look pretty at night. Just lights it all up. So this is the piano area, all clean and decorated. Okay, next I'm going to be cleaning the dresser. And above the dresser is the TV, and there's a sound bar on top of the dresser. Even going to give that a wipe down. And then here is my digital alarm clock, and I always keep it on top of this pretty box. And I just keep little trinkets inside the box and jewelry. Now here is the vase that I'm going to be placing back with really pretty flowers in it. I've had that for a long time. The flowers came from the Dollar General. So this is all clean. Now I'm ready to decorate. So I have this little rabbit, Amazon. It's a mama rabbit reading to her little baby rabbit. That is so cute. And then I've got a silver bowl with decoupaged eggs that I made myself using vintage book paper. And then I have this Easter sign. That was one of the dollar stores. I'm not sure which. And then I have another little bunny and a little baby bunny next to her. That again was one of the dollar stores. So here is my dresser, all clean and decorated. One more area to clean, and that is the other nightstand. But didn't this turn out cute? Very spring and Eastery looking. Okay, here is the other nightstand, also giving it a quick clean and wipe down. And again with my lamp that I've had for a very long time. Oh, it must be about 25 years I've had the lamps. And then next I'm going to add this white vase with some eucalyptus leaves in it. Very simple. So I hope you enjoyed watching me clean and decorate my master bedroom. And if you would, go and check out the playlist and leave everyone a comment and a like. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next one.